It's a beautiful rainy day to make a knife. There it is, my first wooden knife build. I really enjoyed making this. It is so much fun to make. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's still challenging, and honestly, with the right tools, it's not as difficult. If I didn't have that half-round wood rasp to make these grooves in the handle for my fingers, it definitely would have been a different story. But really, overall, just, you don't need a whole lot. All you need was, like, obviously a saw to cut out the profile, cut out where the handle was going to go, a planer, a wood plane to be able to get the edge and bevel everything really nice. The little planer that I use and the little Japanese one I have really made the world of difference getting this edge here, and I think it came out pretty good, fairly even. If you guys, that'll show up on camera. But in that half wood rasp, getting the handle done really just make the world of difference. And then just some sandpaper. So really only 4 tools needed to make this build. And yeah, like I said, I think it came out really good. With the paint job, I was trying to go for a more hand-forged, rough forged look on the top, and then a cleaner look for the blade. That's what I did. Silver for the edge, I take that off, and then I took that off, did a base coat of black, and then some hammered silver, Rust-Oleum hammered silver finish, or pewter actually, I think it is, it's hammered pewter, I think. Did a coat of that, did a few more sprays of black, barely touching, so it's more like droplets coming out than an actual spray, so I can kind of give it a more textured look, and some more dots. Kind of hit it a little bit of sandpaper on that to kind of rough it up. And on the wood handle, like you saw in the video, all I did was just, hit it with the torch, kind of bring out the grain a bit, and then I just clear coated the whole thing, and I think it came out really well. This is definitely, so far, my favorite build that I've done on this channel, and I'm definitely inspired to do more. I'm going to do a couple of swords next, and I want to do a Scottish claymore for the Renaissance Festival coming up for next year. My family has, kilts and, Scottish garment that we wear, and I want to have a claymore to go with that. I think it'd look really cool. Also want to incorporate some epoxy into this. Maybe do like the blade out of epoxy, or an epoxy inlay that lights up, or something of that nature. If you guys have any good ideas, please share them in the comments below. I make sure to look and respond to every one of my comments that you guys send me. I do appreciate all of them. I appreciate all the likes, all the feedback. Make sure to like this video, crush the like button, and subscribe for more. Give me your feedback, give me your thoughts. I appreciate and welcome them all. And thanks for watching again, as always, and take care.